Today we are covering CompTIA A plus 220-1101 Core 1. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Question is, an employee is complaining that their workstation is not booting into Windows when they reboot their machine. You noticed that during the reboot, the system is loading into a PXE-based OS. What should you do next? Option A. Reboot PC to determine if it will boot from the HDD. Option B. Boot into recovery mode to fix the boot order. Option C. Press F12 to boot into boot mode and select the correct device. Option D. Boot the BIOS and select the HDD from the boot order. Correct answer is option D. Next question is, when using an impact printer, what is used to transfer the ink to a piece of paper? Option A. Inkjet cartridge. Option B. Toner. Option C. Ribbon. Option D. Filament. Correct answer is option C. Next question is, which of the following devices would allow you to control and provide input commands to multiple servers within the same server rack using a single set of input devices? Option A. Touchpad. Option B. Keyboard. Option C. Mouse. Option D. KVM. Correct answer is option D. Next question is, this is a simulated PBQ. If you had this question on the real exam, you would be asked to drag and drop a label with the component's name onto the proper location on the motherboard. Using the image of the motherboard above, which of the following correctly indicates the circled area? Option A. Front panel connector. Option B. Audio connector. Option C. USB connector. Option D. PATA connector. Correct answer is option B. Next question is, you are building a Bitcoin mining workstation that will have multiple graphics cards, lots of memory, and an octa-core processor. This computer is expected to generate a lot of heat during its operations. Which of the following solutions would most efficiently dissipate all of the heat produced? Option A. Passive heat sink. Option B. Liquid cooling system. Option C. High RPM fans. Option D. Replace the power supply with a more efficient model. Correct answer is option B. Next question is, your company has an office in Boston and is worried that its employee may not reach the office during periods of heavy snowfall. You have been asked to select a technology that would allow employees to work remotely from their homes during poor weather conditions. Which of the following should you select? Option A. VPN. Option B. VLAN. Option C. IDS. Option D. NAT. Correct answer is option A. Next question is, what type of connector is used to terminate a coaxial cable? Option A. F-type. Option B. RJ11. Option C. DB9. Option D. RJ45. Correct answer is option A. Next question is, which of the following technologies could be used in a licensed long-range fixed wireless system? Option A. Bluetooth. Option B. Wi-Fi. Option C. Cellular. Option D. NFC. Correct answer is option C. Next question is, a workstation is having intermittent issues and continues to receive system errors or freeze. You believe that the problem is being caused by the workstation's motherboard not getting the proper amount of power to it, and you want to perform a test to confirm your theory. Which of the following tools should you use to determine if the proper amount of power is being supplied to the motherboard? Option A, cable tester. Option B, multimeter. Option C, loop back plug. Option D, postcard. Correct answer is option B. Next question is, John is a small business owner who is always running between meetings. He wants to buy a device that will let him quickly and easily see his email notifications, view his instant messages and chats, and keep in touch with his executive assistant who is back at the office. Which device would best meet John's needs? Option A, portable hotspot. Option B, smartwatch. Option C, fitness monitor. Option D, e-reader. Correct answer is option B,